What is up guys, my name is Nico, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to style the Raf Simons Ozweegos. Alright guys, so I have two outfits to show you guys of showing you guys how to style the Ozweegos. I really like the two outfits, I really can't wait to show you guys. Everything just really goes well with each other in my opinion. And let me show you guys the first outfit right now. Alright guys, so the first item of the outfit, I'm going to be using this Gosha tee. This is from their latest collection, and just nice plain white Gosha. It just says Gosha in the front. I really think this goes so much good with the Raf. I don't know, I just really like the plain stuff with the Rafs are just amazing, and I like how they fit, and that's going to be for my first item. Alright guys, so for the second piece of the outfit, I'm going to be using just this this blue denim. It has a little more baggier fit to it. I showcased this on my favorite pants video like 2-3 videos ago, but it's gonna have that more baggier fit, but not too baggy, still keeping it into the legs. Really like the fit with this, with the wraps, and yeah, this is gonna be my second piece. Alright guys, so for the last item, of course, the Raf Simons with the cream colorway, and with everything together, let's go see what that looks like. The second fit, this outfit is actually going to be my favorite out of the two, just because everything was just so nice and everything just go well with each other. The colors, the accessories, and just everything in the fit, it just went so well with each other. So yeah, so the first piece of the fit, I'm going to be using just this black with some cream to it, like cream leaves on it. Hawaiian shirt. This shirt just goes so much good with the Raf, just cause like the cream of the Rafs, the colors, you got some cream, hints of cream right there. I really think this shirt is just really nice with the fit. Alright guys, so for the second piece, so for the pants, I'm going to be using just this khaki, just because the khakis with the Rafs just goes so nice as well. And I'm going to be using some chain for the pants to add some more accessories, more details to the fit. And one other accessory that I'm going to be adding is going to be this gun holster. So I've been using a gun holster for a lot of my outfit. If you're following me on Instagram, I've been using this gun holster quite a while for my fit, and I think it really goes so. It's just a great outfit, not a great outfit. It's a great piece, great accessories, just because it just adds up to the style. Like if you have a simple fit, throwing this in just kind of adds up to it. I really like this. I think I like this more than the chest piece, just because it's not really covering too much of your fit, and this is just slightly just in the side, you know, nothing too crazy, and that's why I really like this piece. And for the shoes, I'm going to be using the Rafs, of course, and everything together, let's go see what that looks like. Hope you guys do enjoy this video, and if you guys do enjoy, hit the like, comment, subscribe down below. Turn on the notification bell on just so you can be notified every time I post a new video, so you guys be the first ones to watch it. But yeah, like I said, hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys later.